of our food. Say hi.
Aren't they gonna be?
Alright. We are at Pirate Fest, and it's completely dead here because
It's raining.
it's raining and wet and crappy. We got Italian shaved ice.
Italian? It was Hawaiian.
I always used to my mom getting the Italian ice. Yeah, it's Hawaiian. There's the proof.
It's Hawaiian. It says it right there.
I'm having problems. There's a pirate boat taking off. Yep, it's going. It's leaving. Yeah. It's really cold.
Dude, I would have been freezing my butt off.
Yeah, if you wore that what you were wearing before.
Yeah.
What does it look like right here? I'm trying to.
Is that the boat making that noise? It takes an hour to get how much? How long?
The guy down there, you hear that little motor?
Oh yeah.
Boat down there, he's pulling
Oh,
the boat.
matching bracelets. Oh yeah, look.
Is that a rock?
We just bought matching bracelets.
Ignore the
other one. And we got
true friendship, man.
And we got glow sticks. Mine is hidden.
Mine is pink.
Glow sticks. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, me too. Bye.